Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to sign up for Myleads affiliate program. So first thing that you will do is simply go to mylead.global, and now from here guys, just simply scroll down to the very bottom, and now from here you should be able to see here affiliate program catalog. So click on here. And now from here, guys, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here, I want to join. So click on over here. And now it will redirect you to the registration form and you should be able to sign up over here. So from here, guys, just simply go ahead and provide your email address and your password, or you can just simply continue with Google. So in my case, I will go for continue with Google. And I'm just going to simply select an account. After that, just simply click on confirm. And now from here, just simply wait for it to load up. And from here, guys, just simply enter your login. So let's say I'm going to go for John Tavi. And now I'm just going to click on this I accept all consent and click on start your free registration over here. And after that, just simply select an account type. I'm going to go for private and just simply provide the name and provide your surname as well. And after that, just simply choose a country where you are located and just simply select a country. So you will have two options. You can either go for EUR or USD. So I'm going to go for USD. And now from here, just simply provide a street number or where you are located and the city and the postal code as well. And after that, just simply provide your phone number. So from here, when you click on this, you can change the country of your phone number. And after that, just simply click on complete the registration. And now from here, guys, just simply choose a social media. So let's say I'm going to go for Discord. And after that, just simply type in your Discord. And now just simply provide where did you learn about this website. So let's say I'm gonna go for search engine. And now how much have you earned in other network? So I'm gonna go for the minimum. And now just simply click on enter. That's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.